नमस्कार सभी ब्यूटीफुल लेडी, स्वागत है आपको कांचीपुरम वरमालक्ष्मी सिल्क्स में। और आज मैं पैटनी सिकंदराबाद में हूँ। आई हैव बॉट यू द ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शन फ्रॉम कुप्पड़म। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द कुप्पड़म साड़ी व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग टुडे। कितनी सुंदर साड़ी है, वेरी प्रिटी कलर, पिंक कलर। आप देखें तो ओवरऑल बॉडी वी हैव लवली फ्लावर बुटीज, बहुत ही सुंदरदार है। और इसका बॉर्डर देखते हैं, वेरी लवली बॉर्डर, कॉन्ट्रास्ट बॉर्डर, गोल्डन जरी के साथ डिजाइन होके है, along with beautiful pallu with lovely tassels with contrast blouse। बहुत ही सुंदर है ना। चलो इसके प्राइस एंड डिटेल्स को देख लेते हैं। Code of the saree MM398 and the price of the saree 8330। Let's move on to another lovely saree। Wow, बहुत ही सुंदर, बहुत ही शानदार कलर है, नावी ब्लू। The overall body of the saree we have checks pattern, गोल्डन जरी के साथ हाईलाइटेड होके है। एंड इतनी सुंदरदार बॉर्डर देके है यहाँ पे, गैप बॉर्डर विथ लवली झूला पैटर्न, लवली झूला डिजाइन, मीनाकरी, बहुत ही सुंदर है। Now let's check the pallu। Very contrast pallu along with contrast border with beautiful tassels, बहुत ही प्रिटी tassels आके हैं साड़ी को। It's contrast blouse। प्राइस एंड डिटेल्स देख लेते हैं। कोड ऑफ द साड़ी MM405 and the price of the saree 8160। और एक लवली साड़ी को देख लेंगे, वेरी प्रिटी, वेरी एलिगेंट ऑरेंज कलर साड़ी। चलिए इसकी बॉडी को एक बार देख लेते हैं। द ओवरऑल बॉडी ऑफ द साड़ी इज very beautifully designed with lovely flower motifs, alternate golden flower booty lines। बहुत सुंदर है ना। इसकी बॉर्डर भी देख लेते। लवली बॉर्डर हाईलाइटेड विथ गोल्डन टेम्पल, बहुत ही सुंदरदार हाईलाइशन है यहाँ पे अगर आप देखा जाए तो, विथ कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर बॉर्डर along with contrast pallu with beautiful golden zari pattern, with lovely tassels, very pretty। और इसका ब्लाउज वेरी कॉन्ट्रास्ट और ब्यूटीफुल ब्लाउज है इसके ऑरेंज कलर साड़ी को। लेट्स चेक द प्राइस एंड डिटेल्स। कोड ऑफ द साड़ी MM412 and the price of the saree 7905। चलिए और एक सुंदर साड़ी को देख लेते हैं। वाओ, वेरी एलिगेंट कलर, वेरी प्रिटी कलर, ब्राउन कलर, लवली बॉडी, बहुत ही सुंदरदार बॉडी है। द ओवरऑल बॉडी वी हैव इन गोल्डन जरी वर्टिकल लाइन पैटर्न्स, बहुत ही सुंदर बॉडी है ना। लेट्स चेक द बॉर्डर नाउ। वेरी प्रिटी बॉर्डर highlighted with very lovely designed leaf motifs, steam motifs, बहुत ही सुंदर है। विद zigzag लाइंस आके है और कॉन्ट्रास्ट बॉर्डर देके है along with the contrast pallu, the beautiful tassels। It's a very lovely contrast blouse। चलिए इसके दाम क्या है देख लेते हैं। Code of the saree MM403 and the price of the saree 5100। Now let's move on to another lovely saree। Very pure, very lovely बहुत ही सुंदर कुप्पड़म कलेक्शन, lavender color saree. The overall body of the saree we have silver zari lines, vertical lines. Lovely border भी है यहाँ पर, highlighted with temple, contrast border, along with very lovely contrast pallu, highlighted in a golden zari, diamond shape pattern, flower booties with mango paisleys, lovely tassels. क्या ही बोलूं मैं साड़ी के बारे में, कितना लवली कलर है, देखो प्रिटी पिंक कलर का ब्लाउज आके है. लेट्स चेक द प्राइस एंड डिटेल्स. Code of the saree MM390 and the price of the saree 7395. Before moving on to lovely saree, I would love to share that we have cash on delivery available only in Hyderabad and global shipment भी है. No matter in which part of the world you live, हम लोग बहुत ही सुंदर साड़ीज आपके डोर स्टेप तक हम लोग डिलीवर कर देंगे इन नो टाइम. चलिए अगली साड़ी को देख लेते हैं. वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल कलर, lovely lemon yellow color. Body is very beautifully highlighted with checks pattern और मीना करीज भी है with lovely peacock motifs and silver lines, silver daughter lines. बहुत ही सुंदर डिजाइन करके है ओवरऑल बॉडी को. Let's check the border. This beautiful saree has a very pretty border in contrast color along with the contrast pallu, beautiful tassels, lovely triangle shape pattern, silver zari, along with the contrast blouse. बहुत ही सुंदर है ना, येलो और ग्रीन कॉम्बिनेशन. चलिए इसका दाम देख लेते हैं. Code of the saree MM401 and the price of the saree 7735. Let's move on to another lovely saree from today's Kuppadam collection. Wow, very pretty color, sky blue color. The overall body of the saree we have the checks pattern और इस checks pattern में lovely flower booties भी highlight होके हैं. बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहे और बहुत pretty contrast border भी है. Let's have a look. Very lovely and very pretty border. In golden zari along with the contrast pallu in zigzag lines, highlighted with beautiful tassels along with the contrast blouse. बहुत ही प्रिटी साड़ी है. चलिए इसके प्राइस और डिटेल्स को देख लेते हैं. Code of the saree MM393 and the price of the saree 7990. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Royal color, very pretty color. आज की कलेक्शन में navy blue color है. The overall body of the saree we have checks pattern और उसके साथ साथ very beautiful peacock motifs भी आके हैं. चलिए अब ब्यूटीफुल बॉर्डर को देख लेते हैं. कितना सुंदर बॉर्डर है यार, वेरी लवली मीनास ऑल ओवर द बॉर्डर with along with contrast pallu, beautiful tassels with the contrast blouse. बहुत ही सुंदर ब्लाउज है ना, lavender color blouse. To shop this lovely saree, take a screenshot along with the item code that is MM394. The price of the saree आके 5350 पर 5 रुपए है. बहुत ही सुंदर साड़ी है. And send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. चलिए दूसरी साड़ी को देख लेते हैं. Wow, lovely pink color. The overall body of the saree in checks pattern और साथ साथ we have very lovely peacock motifs भी है overall body और इंटरेस्टिंग बॉर्डर है। चलिए बहुत प्रिटी बॉर्डर को दिखाऊंगी अब। दिस बॉर्डर इज हाईलाइटेड विद रेशम थ्रेड वर्क with Rudraksh booties and flower booties highlighted with temple. बहुत ही सुंदर बॉर्डर है, वेरी रेयर पीस। along with the contrast pallu highlighted with beautiful tassels. बहुत ही beautifully highlighted होके है along with contrast blouse. To shop this very beautiful and elegant sari, take a screenshot along with the item code that is WM408 and the price of the sari 7,650 and send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Wow. डुअल शेड कलर साड़ी है यहाँ पर, बहुत ही सुंदर और एलिगेंट। द ओवरऑल बॉडी वी हैव पिकॉक मोटिव्स और ये पिकॉक मोटिव्स नीनास के साथ हाईलाइटेड होके है with very lovely border, beautiful temples and contrast border along with the contrast pallu, peach color pallu in floral jar pattern with beautiful tassels और बहुत ही lovely ब्लाउज। चलिए इसके प्राइस और डिटेल्स को देख लेते हैं। Code of the sari WM411 and the price of the sari 7,735. Now let's move on to another lovely Kupadam collection. Guys, pure Kupadam sari है यहाँ पर, very lovely color, very beautiful shade, dual shade, pink color sari. The oral body of the sari is highlighted with checks pattern. बहुत ही सुंदर है in golden zari. उसके साथ साथ very pretty border. Border भी very lovely highlighted है with peacock and flower booties के साथ along with lovely meenakari. This border is also highlighted with elephant temples, peacocks. बहुत ही lovely contrast border आके है at the edge. Very beautiful. The contrast pallu with beautiful tassels along with the contrast very lovely blouse. To shop this sari, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002 and a team will assist you for this lovely sari. Gorgeous green. बहुत ही सुंदर color है, very elegant. The overall body of the sari we have flower booties, silver and golden zari, along with this lovely designed motifs, circle motifs, very beautifully designed with contrast border, highlighted with golden zari line along with the contrast pallu guys. बहुत ही सुंदर पल्लू है, ब्यूटीफुल टैजल्स के साथ, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल, शादियों के लिए, बारातों के लिए यूज करते कलर, वेरी लवली ग्रीन एंड पिंक कलर। चलिए इसके प्राइस और डिटेल्स को देख लेते हैं। कोड ऑफ द साड़ी WM397 and the price of the saree 8,330. Let's move on to another lovely saree from today's Kupadam collection. Elegant yellow. बहुत ही सुंदर कलर है ना, बहुत ही एलिगेंट कलर है। The overall of the body saree is highlighted with golden zari guys. Golden zari के साथ highlighted होके है in vertical lines along with lovely contrast border. बहुत ही सुंदर border है with zigzag lines in the border, highlighted with beautiful purple color with lovely contrast pallu with beautiful tassels and zigzag pattern. बहुत ही सुंदर कलर है। विद कॉन्ट्रास्ट ब्लाउज। चलिए इसके प्राइस और डिटेल्स को देख लेते हैं शॉप करने के लिए। कोड ऑफ द साड़ी MM395 and the price of the saree 5100. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow. Ladies, pretty pink color again. Peachish pink color, I guess. Yeah, correct. Peachish pink color. The overall body of the saree is highlighted with elephants, with peacock motifs. Very beautiful. बहुत ही सुंदरदार साड़ी है गाइस, देखिए ना एक बार। लेट मी शो द लवली बॉर्डर नाउ। देखिए बॉर्डर में इतना सुंदर वर्क है विद पीकॉक मोटिव्स, विद डीर्स, along with the temples. Very lovely. With contrast color. Pallu in floral jaw pattern with diamond shape pattern in silver zari, along with the contrast border with lovely tassels. बहुत ही सुंदर contrast blouse. Now let's check the price and details to shop this lovely saree, guys. Code of the saree LU707 and the price of the saree 6715. बहुत ही सुंदर साड़ी है ना। Let's move on to another lovely saree from today's collection. Again, gorgeous green. Yep, gorgeous green color, guys. The overall body of the saree we have in a checks pattern, highlighted with flower booties in golden zari, with a lovely wide checks pattern. The bottom of the saree is highlighted with a fur motifs, very beautifully designed, along with the lovely border, contrast border in peach color. बहुत ही खूबसूरत है ना। Along with contrast पल्लू भी है इसे इन zigzag पैटर्न के साथ गोल्डन जरी में, और ब्यूटीफुल टैजल्स भी देखे हैं along with the contrast blouse. चलिए इसके प्राइस और डिटेल्स को देख लेते हैं। कोड ऑफ द साड़ी MM389 and the price of the saree 7990. Let's move on to another lovely saree from today's collection. Again, यहाँ पर lovely elegant yellow color है, बहुत ही सुंदर color है, very lightweight, very easy to carry. The overall body of the saree we have in a checks pattern, highlighted with peacock motifs in golden zari. उसके साथ साथ very lovely border है, रेशम border, very lovely रेशम border, रेशम thread weave work with rudraksh booties and flower booties, highlighted with beautiful temples. बहुत ही सुंदर और बहुत ही रेयर पीस है, with lovely contrast pallu highlighted in a diamond shaped pattern in golden zari, with lovely tassels, very elegant, very pretty. उसके साथ साथ very beautiful color, pink color blouse. चलिए इतनी सुंदर साड़ी को देख लिए, इसके प्राइस और डिटेल्स को भी देख लेते। कोड ऑफ द साड़ी MM404 and the price of the saree 7650. Let's move on to another lovely saree from today's collection. Wow, beautiful wine color, very beautiful color है दर्शकों, very pretty color है। The overall body of the saree is highlighted with silver and golden alternative booties lines, vertical lines, and इसके नीचे का बॉडी आके very beautifully designed है इन पीकॉक मोटिव के साथ साथ मीनास, very beautiful alternative silver and golden zari peacock motifs with lovely contrast border with peacock motifs highlighted with beautiful blue color. बहुत ही सुंदर है। चलिए इसकी पल्लू देख लेते हैं। लवली पल्लू इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर along with the tassels with contrast blouse. Let's see the price and details now. Code of the sari WM406 and the price of the sari 5,865. Let's move on to another lovely sari from today's Kuppadam collection. Pure Kuppadam sari, sky blue color sari with beautiful peacock motifs, flower motifs in a floral jaw pattern altogether highlighted with minas, along with a lovely border, contrast border, highlighted with temple, very pretty border, along with a lovely contrast pallu with beautiful floral jaw pattern, with lovely color, with contrast blouse. Let's check the price and details to shop this lovely sari. Code of the sari M414 and the price of the sari 7,735. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Elegant yellow we have in the house, ladies, again. Very pretty yellow color. The overall body of the sari is highlighted with beautiful leaf booties in alternative silver and golden zari, along with the contrast border, orange color border. Very beautiful pallu, contrast pallu with peacock motifs, with lovely tassels, along with the contrast blouse. To shop this lovely sari, take a screenshot along with the item code MM439 and the price of the sari 6,290 and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another lovely sari from today's Kuppadam collection. My beautiful ladies in the house. We have pistachio green, very elegant, very lovely. And the sari is very, very lightweight, easy to handle. The overall body of the sari, we have very lovely flower booties, the golden zari. This beautiful body is highlighted with very lovely design pattern. The bottom with diamond shape, peacock booties with circle motifs. Very lovely. It's designed along with contrast border. Very contrast and very lovely border we have in the house, my ladies. Along with the contrast pallu. Very beautifully designed. Along with the lovely tassels. It's very elegant color and very rare pistachio green color. We don't find it all the way. Along with the contrast blouse. To shop this lovely sari, take a screenshot along with the item code MM409 and the price of the sari 5,142 and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's launch another beautiful sari. Peach color. Very lovely color, very lightweight, very easy to handle. Let's have the closure look of the body. The overall body, we have beautiful flowers, flower booty, golden and silver zari line. This lovely body is highlighted with beautiful designed checks pattern, peacock booties with meenakari. Very lovely, along with the contrast color border highlighted with self border with temple, along with the lovely contrast pallu in diamond shape pattern, contrast blouse. Very elegant. Now let's see the price and details. Code of the sari LV395 and the price of the sari 5,865. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Wow. Neon green color, I call it as a parrot green color. Very pretty color, very rare piece. The overall body of the sari is highlighted with silver zari, leaf booty lines, and lovely highlighted in a checks pattern with alternative peacock and parrot motifs with Nina Curry design, very lovely design with contrast border, highlighted with temple in silver zari. Let's have a closer look of the pallu. Very elegant pallu, highlighted with golden zari in the top and triangular pattern in the mid with beautiful tassels along with the contrast blouse. Let's see the present details of this beautiful sari. Code of the sari 99399 and the price of the sari 7735. Let's check another lovely sari. Wow. Very pretty color we have in the house, my beautiful ladies. Pink color, the overall body of the sari we have in a checks pattern. The body of the sari is highlighted with this golden zari border in a diamond pattern along with the jhula, meenakari, with lovely pretty contrast border along with very elegant pallu. This beautiful pink color sari, we have lovely sky blue color, gap border, blouse, very elegant. Let's check the present details of this lovely sari. Code of the sari 99391 and the price of the sari 8160. We have very elegant sari from today's last collection. Very elegant, very beautiful color. The overall body of the sari, we have lovely flower booties. Purple color, very lovely color. And the body is highlighted with beautiful design, golden zari, diamond shape pattern, diamond motif, flower, peacock motif, flower motif, floral jaw patterns. Very alternative, beautiful patterns we have all over the body of the sari, along with the lovely contrast border, along with the contrast pallu, orange pallu with lovely tassels, with beautiful contrast blouse. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is code of the sari 99388 and the price of the sari 5142. So we have video call facility also. To shop this lovely sari, take a screenshot along with the item code what I have shown you on the screen and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002, and a team will assist you. This is the thing, guys. This is the collection what I have got for today, and I'll see you with another lovely collection. Till then, namaskaram.
మేము ఈరోజు వరమహాలక్ష్మి షాపింగ్కి వచ్చాము. మేము ఇంతకుముందు కూడా నేను చేసేసి వెళ్ళాను ఇక్కడ, నేను నా కోడలు తీసుకున్నాము. సో నా మనవరాళ్ళది శారీ ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది, అందుకని అప్పుడు నచ్చి మళ్ళీ ఇవాళ కొనడానికి మా అమ్మాయిని తీసుకొని వచ్చాను అనమాట. చాలా బాగున్నాయి శారీస్ ఇక్కడ.
యూఎస్ నుంచి వచ్చాను మా అమ్మాయిల ఫంక్షన్, శారీ ఫంక్షన్ చేయడానికి. అండ్ ఈ షాప్లో నాకు చీరలు కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ చాలా నచ్చాయి. అండ్ ఈ ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ మొత్తం పూజ చేసి ఇవ్వడం అనేది బాగా ఆస్పిషియస్ ఉంది. సో ఐ రియలీ లైక్డ్ ఇట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.